In a world where mortals and deities coexist, Helen's allure becomes a magnet, drawing the eyes of both the divine and the ordinary. As whispers of her beauty reach the divine realms, Zeus and Apollo are captivated by the enchanting mortal named Helen. Amidst the chaos of gods and humans, Helen and Paris find solace in each other's arms, their love unyielding and unwavering. With mounting frustration, Zeus employs his divine powers, unknowingly endangering the mortal who has captured his attention. Apollo, consumed by his desire for Helen, unleashes his musical prowess, unaware of the impending danger his actions pose. Pushed to the brink by the gods themselves, Helen finds herself at a pivotal moment, torn between mortal love and the overwhelming power of the divine. Amidst the chaos, Helen experiences a profound moment of clarity, understanding the significance of choosing her heart's desire despite the interference of formidable deities. Touched by the purity of Helen's unwavering love, Zeus and Apollo relinquish their divine interference, recognizing the indomitable power of true feelings. Helen and Paris find each other once again, overcoming the trials orchestrated by gods, their love prevailing against all odds. The story of Helen and her unwavering pursuit of love transcends time and becomes a beacon of hope, inspiring all to embrace the untamed power of their own emotions. In their triumphant reunion, Helen and Paris discover the true essence of love, their tears a testament to its unbreakable spirit. As the sun sets on their journey, Helen and Paris embrace the uncertainties of life, knowing that true love will always triumph over divine interference.